Children, in this video we will learn how can you apply different types of font property and alignment attribute with your predefined HTML tag or with your own tag. So first we are discussing about font size. We give always font size in pixels. Font size is equal to, instead of equal to sign, we give always colon sign. Font size will be 40 pixels. Font style, we have three types of font style: normal, italic and oblique. We have three types of font style. And alignment of the text will be the center. We have three types of alignment: center, left, right and justify. Here we are giving center. And the text color will be orange. Font family means font face. Within a double quotes, put your cursor, go to the format font, select any type of font, Ctrl C, cancel, and within a double quotes press Ctrl V. By this method, children, you can copy any font from format font and to this property. With H2 I have given different property. Font size will be 30 pixels, font style will be italic, alignment of the text will be left, color of the text will be tomato, and font family will be this. And third tag I have used P tag. With the P tag it has different property. And H tag, I have created this tag. This is not a predefined tag, this is our own tag. So I have given different property with this tag. Now we see the output. This is the output of H1, this is the output of H2, and this is the output of P tag, and this is our own tag H tag. Now we are discussing about font family. First time I am giving more than 2 fonts here. It means if first we are discussing about font families. We have two types of font families: generic family and font family. Generic family has more than these are the main three generic families: serif, sans serif and monospace. And we always different types of fonts. Some fonts come under serif category and some fonts come under sans serif and some fonts come under monospace category. How can we identify this? Some fonts, or we can say text, which has sharpen end. You can see the sharpen end. These fonts come under serif family. And sans serif, these fonts looks very normal and very readable. And those fonts which come under monospace, these fonts look like typewriter font. So font family is equal to, first I am giving Times New Roman. If any font has more than one word, then we have to use double quotes. Times New Roman has 3 words, so I am giving within a double quotes and comma. Second is Times, comma, serif. It means first option will be Times New Roman. I want to apply this font to my text, but if this font is not available, second choice will be Times. I want this font to be applied on my text, and if both the fonts are not available, then this line, this tag can take any of the font from serif family. And you can give more than 2 choices also. So now children, you can easily understand how can you apply more than two fonts with font family, and how can you apply different font properties and alignments with your text in CSS program. Thank you.